In this video, we will be introducing a new feature of Trado, that is reverse your position. It means if you have a buy position, you can reverse it to sell position in just a single click. And if you have a call buy position and you want to switch to put buy position on the same strike price, that also you can do in just a single click. We will take a live trade for a live demonstration of this feature. Now simply log in with your broker credentials. Now we are all set to take a live trade. I will take a ATM strike price and we will verify it from broker's order. Simply buy. Say I got a position and I can reverse it. If I reverse it to buy to sell, then this position is exited, and one sell position also got executed on the same time and at the same strike price. This position got rejected due to fund shortage. You can see from info. See, this position got rejected due to shortfall of funds. Okay, we will take one more position just to check how C position getting reversed to PE position. Simply buy this position. Okay, we got this position running PNL. I will reverse it to P. See, my CE position got exited and one PE position got bought at 171 rupees on the same strike price. I will close this position. Say in order book, I take a position in C and I reverse it to P on the same strike price 43,600. C converted to P and at the same time I exited it on market price. With this feature you can reverse your position also from buy to sell or from C to P very easily in just a single click. This feature will help scalpers to reverse their position fastly. Thank you.